Hi there, students. To pad out, okay, to pad something out. Let's see, if you've got to make a speech and you've only got a small amount of information, you pad it out by making it longer. You add extra words, you add unnecessary words and information to make it longer, to make it bigger. Yeah, or very often you've got to do this essay and it says write in at least 500 words, yeah, and you've only got 400. So you pad it out, you add some extra things, yeah, to make it longer, to make it fit the thing that you're trying to fit. Let's see, to pad or padding, it's something that you use to stuff something. So a jacket, inside a jacket there will be padding, yeah, or a chair, the seat of a chair, there is padding on the seat of a chair. Yeah, you pad the seat of a chair. It's like a cushion or a mat or material that you put in something to make it softer, to give it more volume. Okay, so you pad out a piece of writing, you pad out a speech with unnecessary words, with bits of information that you're including them just to make it longer. The film would have been really good if they'd made it shorter, but they decided to pad it out with all sorts of unnecessary details. The story was rather short, so they padded it out by giving a biography of the author as well. Okay, so to pad out, you could maybe pad out a story with some pictures or some photographs. Or maybe if on the television, if they've got a lot of time and nothing's actually happening in an event, then the commentator tries to pad it out as best they can. I was also thinking, if you with food, for example, the food I've got, it's enough for 3 people, but 6 people turned up. I'm going to have to pad it out with some rice, yeah, something that gives it extra volume, but it's not the best of things. So to pad out, to fill out with something cheaper, with something unnecessary, to make it fuller, to make it larger. Okay, maybe you if you have padded shoulders in a jacket, you pad them out, you stuff them to make it look fuller, to make it look puffier, yeah, to make it look bigger. Okay, so to pad out, yeah, to add something extra, to make something appear much more substantial, particularly students trying to pad out their essay with a whole load of quotes, yeah, or maybe girls padding out their bras to make themselves look more attractive. Okay, so to pad out. I think you can also use this phrasal verb to pad out, meaning to go to sleep or to go to bed. But it's not one that I've actually heard used. Okay, so to pad out, formality. Yeah, maybe you're going to accuse me of padding out this video. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it semi-formally, both speaking and writing. Don't use it very formally. And then as to origin, to the origin, well, to pad, to give extra volume to something. Probably from Low German or Flemish, the pad meaning the sole of the foot, which is, I guess, padded. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you think I've padded it out too much, don't. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Pad out.